Himalayan salt for acne. Himalayan pink salt contains over 84 different minerals, including iron, potassium, magnesium, and trace minerals. If you add this salt to water, you will get a nourishing liquid that will greatly benefit your skin. Himalayan salt benefits for acne. It controls skin sebum by soaking up the excess oil and leaving your skin soft and clean. Due to its antiseptic properties, it can kill acne-causing bacteria. Acne can be caused by an unbalanced skin pH, and Himalayan salt can balance it when used in a toner or cleanser. Himalayan salt recipes for acne. 1. Face wash. Take a foaming dispenser and add 1/2 teaspoon of Himalayan salt, 1 teaspoon of vegetable glycerin, and 5 drops of tea tree oil in it. Shake the dispenser to combine the ingredients, then add 1/4 cup of liquid castile soap, and 1/2 cup of distilled water. Use it twice a day, in the morning, and before going to bed. 2. Facial toner. Take a 4 ounces spray bottle, and add in it 1 teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt crystals, 1 teaspoon of liquid coconut oil, 1-2 drops of lemon oil, followed by 1/4 cup of distilled water. Cap the bottle, and shake it well to combine the ingredients. Use it twice a day. After your anti-acne cleanser, pat dry your face with a towel, close the eyes, and spray this toner all over your face. Let your face dry naturally, then mix some shea butter with a few drops of frankincense oil, and massage it onto your face, to moisturize it.